to the last night. Who the bullet will touch this time? Getting colder than last time. Did not expect for us to cross that line. Getting through back to you, but it's not enough. Don't let me down, don't let me fall. Just stay around. Don't want us falling back to that. You're stepping out, I see you go. I'm crying out, but you're too far so you don't hear it. Get time for thoughts to rise. Now it's going into overdrive. Still no message past my bedtime. I am trying not to analyze. On my phone, waiting on. You're not coming by. Don't let me down, don't let me fall. Just stay around. Don't want us falling back to that. You're stepping out.
You remind me of the perfect summer day, but only in picture frames. Cause I was picking up the pieces when the rain washed us away. You had me all alone, I was drowning in your awkward silence. I feel loosening the chains around my neck, but it makes no difference.
Lady luck, ever since she started hating, I've been waking up too early. I miss our crazy hazes in the middle of the night. Watch the stars from different places. And the phases we call love won't ever start to change.